winters here, and as temperatures drop, it's time to protect your home from extreme cold. A little prep now can save you major repairs later.
Absolutely. So let's start with your heating system. Make sure your HVAC is running efficiently and schedule a professional to come out, replace filters, clean the filters, and just make sure that everything's running right.
Oh, absolutely. If you don't already have a programmable smart thermostat, now's a great time to consider one. If you can help keep your home comfortable while saving money, it's a win-win.
That's right. So next up, seal those drafty areas. So use weather stripping caulk around windows, doors, and actually don't even forget the less obvious spots like electrical outlets and some of those places as well.
Also, keep your garage door closed. This is one I always am telling my boys. Cold air can get in and freeze pipes near the garage, not to mention make your heating system work that much harder.
That's right. So speaking of pipes, insulate those in unheated areas like basements or attics. And on extra cold nights, let your faucets drip a little bit so your pipes don't freeze up.
And another important step would be know where your water shutoff valve is. I get this call actually from past clients. If a pipe bursts because of the cold, you want to be able to shut off all the water to your house.
That's right. And also, don't forget about your roof and gutters. Make sure your gutters are getting clean so that water's getting out and away from your house.
Yeah, ice damming, that's big.
That's right.
And remember, maintaining your HVAC and taking these small steps can really help your home stay warm and functional. And if you need a contractor for anything, give us a call at our number.
That's right. And so if you're thinking about buying or selling this winter, reach out to us at Onward Realty Partners. We're here to help with all your real estate needs.
Stay